by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murders committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period and as set forth in this warrant of arrest.
Must be murders, hindi lang ito. So,